Just look at this. Soft, moist blueberry banana bars with a sweet blueberry glaze. Trust me, you're going to want to make these. I added blueberries to a hot pan with sugar, lemon, and a splash of water. Crushed a few blueberries and then let it simmer until thick. Then took it off the heat and set aside to cool. Now for the dry ingredients. In a bowl, I mixed together flour, baking powder, and salt and then set that to the side. In a separate bowl, I mashed ripe bananas. Then I added eggs and melted butter, followed by vanilla extract, brown sugar, and white sugar. Everything was mixed together until fully combined and smooth. After adding the brown and white sugars, I slowed things down and mixed gently, giving the sugars time to dissolve and turn the batter thick and glossy. Now for some fun, the part I love the most, the spices of course. I added nutmeg and cinnamon to the dry ingredients for warmth and flavor. Then I gradually folded the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, mixing it until just combined. Adding the dry ingredients slowly makes it easier to mix everything evenly. The batter is starting to come together and you can already see it's taking shape. Finally, I gently fold in the blueberries so that they don't break too much. After all that mixing, I poured the batter into a lined baking pan, smoothed it out and baked until golden and cooked through. While the bars baked, I made a quick glaze. I mixed powdered sugar with milk and a spoonful of that blueberry sauce until smooth and pourable. The bread is done and perfectly baked. I checked with a toothpick, then drizzle the blueberry glaze over the top, then cut them into squares. Just look at that glaze slowly setting into the warm bars. The sweet blueberry flavor is already calling your name, and you can see the edges are perfectly golden. Carefully, I lift the bars from the pan onto the serving dish, and look at that golden crust and the soft tender centers with blueberries and bananas just oozing out. Just bursting with sweet, juicy, undeniable goodness. These bars are moist, tender, and bursting with blueberries. This is 100% irresistible. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in the next one.